Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the centenary celebrations of revered Jain spiritual leader Acharya Shri 108 Vidyanandji Maharaj in New Delhi, marking a significant spiritual and cultural moment for India. The event launched a year-long national tribute honoring Acharya Vidyanandji Maharaj, whose teachings of non-violence, compassion, and ethical living have inspired generations across the country. Thousands of devotees, spiritual leaders, and community members gathered to pay tribute to the extraordinary life of Acharya Vidyanand Ji Maharaj, who dedicated his entire life to promoting simplicity, service to society, and peace. His timeless message continues to encourage individuals to live with kindness, integrity, and a sense of duty toward humanity. During the ceremony, Prime Minister Modi was conferred with the title of Dharma Chakravarti, in recognition of his commitment to preserving India's rich spiritual and cultural heritage while leading the nation's development journey. Accepting the honor, PM Modi expressed deep gratitude and highlighted the continued relevance of Acharya Vidyanand Ji Maharaj's teachings in today's world, emphasizing the importance of service, truth, and collective welfare. Prime Minister Modi also released commemorative postage stamps and coins honoring Acharya Vidyanand Ji Maharaj, ensuring that future generations remain connected to India's spiritual traditions while remembering the values and principles the spiritual leader stood for throughout his life. In his address, PM Modi shared that Acharya Vidyanand Ji Maharaj's teachings are not confined to the Jain community alone but resonate with India's broader ethos of non-violence, harmony, and respect for all living beings. He underlined that spiritual leaders guide society toward ethical living and collective progress, strengthening the nation's moral foundation. The Prime Minister also stressed that India's development must be rooted in its cultural and spiritual identity, ensuring progress aligns with the values of peace and mutual respect. Leaders like Acharya Vidyanand Ji Maharaj provide essential moral guidance to society, shaping a nation that embraces growth while remaining true to its cultural heritage. The year-long centenary celebrations will include spiritual programs and community initiatives to spread awareness of Acharya Vidyanand Ji Maharaj's teachings. These programs will encourage people across India to embrace compassion, simplicity, and service in their daily lives. As India pays tribute to Acharya Shri 108 Vidyanand Ji Maharaj, the nation is reminded of the enduring power of spirituality in guiding progress while preserving its cultural values. Stay connected for more updates on this year-long tribute to one of India's most revered spiritual leaders.